Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. It's the 6th of December. It is so dark today. I've got the room light on, which is a daylight bulb because it's my craft room, and my flash wanted to come on my camera as well. So it's a dark and dismal day here today. It hasn't stopped raining since first thing this morning. But anyway, we've got lots of goodies to look at. So, hey, quick update on my advent that I'm doing, which is my 2021 picture. So we've got 6 little compartments done now, 6 little sections all completed, so it's coming along nicely. Yeah, it's just a nice amount to be working on while I've got all of the stuff to do as well. And it is Rebecca, 4Kids at 147, Add More Zest, as she is now. It's her sort of like advent along that I'm doing. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm still not overly happy, although that reads paper quite well there. Not quite sure what that says. Does that say wash your hands possibly? I don't know. But yeah, it's not brilliant, the writing, with them trying to do it like shaded and a 3D effect on it. But we'll see what it looks like when I've finished it, and then I may have a bit of a tweak with it. So yeah, I did say I was going to finish this one this year, albeit that was March when I said it. So we'll see how we get on, and I'll give you further updates on that one as I get to them. I'm also still doing my Santa Express, which is the 90 by 65 huge canvas. And I'm probably about 1/3 of the way through, so I may get it done for Christmas, for the Christmas present for my dad, but I'll put a picture in as to how far I've got. And let you see what you think. Do you think I'll get it finished? You never know. Okay, so then my other little project that I did for DP Christmas Elves, it's on Instagram, and there's 8 creators that are doing that. Christopher Colossa, Mindy, Brandy, I think, Angie. I'll have to link them. But yeah, if you just do a hashtag DP Christmas Elves on Instagram, then you will see that. And they're doing a prize every day. There's 8 of them, and they're giving out a prize every day, as long as you just post something that you've worked on or that you're working on. So yeah, so this was mine for yesterday. It's my little snowman. I did do an unboxing on this one, and I love it. I just think this one looks so shocked. Look, his dad's going to bonk him on the head with his Christmas tree, I think. He said, oh no, don't do that. So yeah, and these are thinking it's really, really funny. I think Dad thinks it's quite funny as well. So yeah, so that's my little hanger. I've tied a knot in the chain because it's hanging too far down where I'm going to put it. So just by knotting the chain there, it just means it makes it a little bit shorter. And then next year, if I want it somewhere where it's a little bit longer, it'll just easily untie and go there. So that's that. But let's have a look at the Christmas Advent calendar. So we're day number 6. Yeah, we're definitely the 6th of December today. So where is number 6? Oh, number 6 is down here. So it's another one of the little square boxes. Oh, I don't know. Oh, could be drills. We've got that little chinky bit of drills. So could possibly be drills again. Let's have a look. Oh, try and open it without... Ooh. Oh, are they the same ones that I've already got? Oh, let me have a look. Was it number 3 that I got drills in? Or is it a different shade? Oh, I'll not be happy if I've got the same ones. No, they are a different one. Ooh, look. So, that one is today's, and that one was the 3rd. So, oh, we're definitely liking these. That's a lot paler. Sort of aqua-y blue there. So let's have a look a bit closer at these. For an awful minute I thought I'd got a duplicate, then I was going, no, I don't like duplicates, and I'm getting present, I want to get different ones. Okay, unless it's diamond paintings, and then I'd probably still do it anyway. It's pour a few out again, get a look at this colour a little bit more. Oh, these are really sparkly. Wow. Actually, it matches the box, look. Diamond paint the box with them. Just give them, and they're round ones, and the shine on that. I hope the camera picks this up. Mind you, if you've been diamond painting a while, you will know what your AB coatings look like, your iridescent coatings. But yeah, they are super. Oh, loving those. Okay, so that is those. That's today's. Look, one's escaped. One's escaped. Get it quick. Oh, these pots are so full. Sorry, Milly's decided to have a quick woof at something. Hang on. Okay. Right. Just pop those away. Won't be a second. Okay, and that's something extra exciting that has just arrived. So I can't wait to get downstairs and see it, and I'll maybe tell you about it tomorrow. So you'll have to pop back to see. Okay, so pop number 6 back in that little spot there. Where's number 7 then for tomorrow? Oh, number 7's this one. Oh, look at this. It's got a very stern looking reindeer on it, so pop back tomorrow and see what number 7 is. But I'll pass you on now to Christmas jumpers and everybody else's advent calendars. Okay, so this isn't a Christmas jumper. This is a little Christmas top that I've got. I've had it a while. Would you believe this is a 3XL? And it is very, very fitted. It's because it's from a different country's size. Yeah, I just ordered the biggest size because I've just know when I've ordered from overseas companies in the past that yeah, some of their clothing can be very, very tiny, so I ordered the biggest one and this was it. But I just love it. It's sort of a party going out top, shall we say. It's just got quite nice seaming at the bottom there. It is very short, so it does look better with the skirt. I have got a very chewed button there. I don't know whether the camera can pick that up. Yeah, that was Milly. Unfortunately, the first time that I sort of tried it on and wore it, she was only a little puppy and she chewed the button off. So I just sort of like have left it there because you can't really tell with it being black unless you get close up to me, but it should look like all the other buttons. It's a short, very wide sleeve there, but I just love the collar. Just love the shape of this collar and the way it comes in, and it just fits really, really nicely. So yeah, that's not necessarily a Christmas jumper or a Christmas outfit, but it's sort of a party outfit. So for this video, we'll say it's a party outfit. Okay, well, thanks for stopping and having a look, and I'll pass you on to the next one. Okay, where's number 6? Where's number 6? Oh, it's cold in here. It's cold in here. Are you looking at our wire, Scotty, that we've not quite set up yet? It's got bits of foam stuck in it. Right, so where's number 6? Let's look. Where is it? Is it here somewhere? Is that number 6? That's number 6, look. Don't be nudging my arm. Come on, we've got to wait till we get it up. Oh, it's the little bits again that you like better. Okay. Oops. So let's get the one little bit. It's there, look. It's there. Whoops. Oh, yes, we definitely like the little bits better than the big bits. And another one. And another one. Oh, they're like little love hearts. Oh, they're really cute. Look, it's there. It's there. Are you wanting the one out of there? Okay. There it is. There they are. Oh, you get both at once then. Goodness me, 2 for 1. Is that it done? Is it empty now? Okay, you're going to say bye. I'll see you tomorrow. No, you're not looking at me. Say, oh, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. There's no more. You only get one a day. Bye-bye. All right, so what are we looking for? Number 6?
I don't know what date it is.
Yeah, 6 down here. I wonder if it's Parma Violets, seeing as it was Parma Violets. Sorry, it was Refresher under Refresher yesterday. God, it's fighting back, this one. Is it power? Oh no, it's swizzles. Swizzles fizzers. Okay, what does it say?
How many sweets is Mr. Swizzles holding?
Where is the Mr. Swizzles? Right, okay.
Don't know.
Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing all those little goodies that we've got. If you have, if you can give me a thumbs up, it would be much appreciated. That's the little button just down here. And if you want to come back tomorrow and see what else we get in our advents, see what tomorrow's jumper may be, and see what I get been up to and what I get up to next. If you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.